Hello, my biofeedback friends. My name is Igor Petr, and I'm a doctor of frequency medicine and analysis. I come from Croatia, the beautiful country, but I live in Slovenia, where we established the first QTLS frequency healing center. I'm with biofeedback devices more than 10 years of experience, and I want to show you how I'm doing the first session with the clients. From my experience, I realize how important it's to build a bridge of trust with the clients. They need to feel the therapy and response on therapy. Do not stress yourself to heal the client if you do the good therapy or not good therapy or so on. Feel them, learn from them. That's very important. I will tell you my secrets and be with me 1st of July. Thank you.